Track the board. What are we doing today? Hands up on 2. 1, 2. Read it for me, please. Let's put hands down. We're at 50%. I want 100 as a team. Hands up on 2. Who can read the aim? 1, 2. Isaiah, you got it today.
Work backwards using the percent equation to determine the percent change.
Maya, move one to the right, please. Just put it on your desk. We're on the aim right now. We shouldn't be out of desks. We shouldn't be out of our seat right now. We're on to our... I'm just saying why you shouldn't be recycling it. So just keep that paper on your desk and you'll recycle it during pack out. Yesterday, you guys learned the difference between finding a new total and an original price. Today, we're going to go one more step further, and we're looking for the percent change. We've never done this before. Today, we're going to learn how. Tomorrow, you guys are going to have a day of review. I'm going to be gone for the afternoon after third period. You might see me in the morning, but I'll be gone for this class. So tomorrow, you're going to have a review packet. It'll be turned in at the end of the day, or end of your class period. It'll be graded, so it's all just what we've done the past 3 days. You all know how to do it, and you'll be working with partners and independently half and half for that. So if you're feeling like, man, I don't want to learn a new thing, I just learned how to find the original, you guys will get practice. It's just going to be tomorrow and not today, since I will be absent. Tonight you do, and tomorrow you do, yeah. I don't know. Okay, here's our percent change equation. We know we always get the percent by timesing the original by the percent to get the new. We have an original price, we have a percentage, then we get the new. That was the original one. The original, notice and underline it. It always happens first. Original happens when? Whole class. First. Original price always occurs when? First. Original price occurs 100% when? First. Every time it's first in the equation. Notice that. So with that in mind, again, we are working backwards. Board to paper, row 4. So we use inverse operations. Inverse means what again? It's backwards or opposite. So instead of multiplying, we'll be dividing today. Therefore, we divide the original amount, we divide the new amount by the original amount. Then decide how your answer compares to 100%. Is it an increase or decrease, and by how much? Okay, that's a lot of words. Let's actually see what it looks like. Isaiah, read number 1 for me.
A pair of shoes was originally $39.99, but are on sale for $29.99. What is the percent of this?
Okay. When we need to find the percent, write this. Your percent equation is going to take the original price and divide it by the new price. Oop, reverse that. New on top, original on bottom. Erase it. New by original. Divide the new by the original. Okay. That's your equation for finding percent. So let's read those again and see which one's the new, which one's the original. A pair of shoes was originally $39.99, but it's on sale and they paid $29.99. What is the new price? Is it 39 or 29? What is the new price? Get an answer in your pocket. Thumb up when you've got something. What is the new price? Row 3, I need to see you thinking. What's the new price for this? Turn and talk to Brad, you're talking to Maya. Kira, you're turning and talking to Grant and T. Miles. What is the new price? Go. What do you think? T. Miles. What is it? What's the new?
The new price is $29.99.
That is, it's on sale, yeah.
I put it into the calculator. How do you tell what it is?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Track here. Isaiah, question.
So in the calculator, we put the new first or the original?
Yeah, let's talk about it. The new would be $29.99. If you said that, you got it. It's on sale for that much. The original was $39.99. If you guys divide something with a division bar, you're always writing the top one first. So enter the top one in your calculator first. Divide $29.99 by $39.99. What is your answer? 100% should be in calculators right now. Row 4, I have 2 that need to be working in calculators. Maya, plug that in. Thank you. Maddie's going. Taylor, you're there. Isaiah, what was your answer? 29. Good. Okay. 0.7499. When you guys have a percent, just like when you're dealing with money, you're going to round to the nearest 2 digits. So I'm going to look at the third digit. This is 5 or more. I'm going to let the 4 sort. So I have a decimal of 75. What percentage is 0.75? Camden. You got it. This time, we're going from decimal to percent. Not at me if you see that. Decimal to percent. This is 75%. Is this pair of shoes 75% off? No. This was 75% of the price. To get the percent discount, we're going to subtract by 100. Because it was a discount, we subtract, just like the other problems. And we know the discount is 25%. Carson. You cannot. If it asks for percent, you will get at least 1 point wrong on your test and your homework. If it's asking for percent and you do this, that is incorrect. 0.25 is not a percent. Question? Okay. Next problem. Read it, please, Leighton.
Number 2, right?
Yeah.
Last year, 247 students attended the first home football game. This year, 295 attended. What is the percent increase in attendance?
Last year, 247 students attended. This year, 295 attend. What was the original? What was the new? Bryden. That's the old number. Good. And what's the new one? Good. Original, new. Original, new. To find percent, what do I divide? Which one's on top, Maya? 295 is going to be the new number. That's how many attended this year. And what's on bottom, Maya? Good. Plug it into a calculator, 100%. Go. We're dividing these. Yep. New by the original. The new number by the original. And what's the answer, Evelyn? Is it 1? 1.19 what? 4. Okay. You round to the nearest 2 digits. Is this for a 5 or more? No, it's not. So we're going to let this 9 rest, and we rewrite it as 1.19. Leighton, do you think this would be a mark up or a mark down problem if we were to solve it? For number 2, it's going from 247 to 295. Yeah, this is a markup. And notice what happened to our percent. We're going to move the decimal 2 to the right. If it's a markup, all you have to do is move the decimal. We don't have to add or subtract. And you have your total percent of the markup. Because markups are already out of 100% or more, you're going to have 119% there for your answer. You don't have to do anything with it. Last one, then you're going to go do some on your own. Number 3. I bought a pair of boots on Black Friday for $39.99. The boots were originally $129.99. What's the percent of the discount? Miles, what do I do first?
You take the new and divide by the original.
What number is my new number, Maddie? Number 3. Wait, was I on the wrong one? You were on 3, yeah. Yeah. That's your new price. It was originally $129. Set this up for me, Blake. What's on top, what's on bottom? Okay. Okay. Is this a markup or a markdown if it goes from 129 to 39? It's a markdown. We're going to write that next to the boots. This is markdown. Okay, divide that in your calculator. Go. What is my answer, Isabella? 0.376? 0.30. Okay. Miles, what do I do with that decimal?
You have to round up.
Round up, so the 0.30 becomes what?
0.31.
Okay. Because this was a markdown, what do I do with that 0.31, Camden? Okay. Wait, and that's your first. Why do I subtract this by 100? Kira, why do I gotta subtract that from 100? Why isn't that just my answer? Yeah, it's wanting the percentage off. It wants the markdown. The markdown is not 31. 31 is the percentage of. Markdown would have been 69%. Go on to number 4, 5, and 6. You're going to work on these solo. If you feel confident, you can do these on your own. If you're a little bit stuck, you're going to look at the board. Rate yourself right now. 5 is I'm on my own. I might even get to the homework if I finish 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to silently come over and grab one. 5 is I'm really confident. 3 is I just need 1 or 2 more examples, then I can do the last one. 1 is I don't know. Show me. 100% row 1, I need to see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maria needs something. Okay, 4s, 3s, 3s, 4s. Okay, hands down. That's fine. Start your work. You're working silently. 4, 5, and 6. Go. If you finish, just grab a homework silently. Right there. Alright, if you're on the homework, flip it upside down on your desk. You'll get to it at the end of today. If you are on any other problem besides number 4, just go to number 4 and look at this one. I have number 4 written, and this was my favorite blunder. It asked for the percent decrease. There were 762 students last year, 645 this year. So I put 645 divided by 762. I got 0.846, and I rounded. What's my blunder? The answer is not 85%.